Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you, are you getting this error on your Windows 11 PC? Something went wrong, error code as you can see guys in my screen. Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix this step by step. So I am facing this error when I am trying to log in with the Microsoft account in my phone link app. Okay, so if you are getting the same error, first make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily and try again. If you don't know how to disable it, you need to try this method. Open your Windows settings like this and go to network and internet, and here you can get the option VPN and proxy. Just need to disable these both settings and make sure your internet connection is working fine. And main important settings, now you need to check your date and time setting as well. Go to settings, go to time and language, date and time settings. Okay, turn on set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Okay, and then click on sync now. That's it. Okay, go to your Windows settings once again, go to accounts, go to email and accounts and add it again. This refreshes your login session. So as you can see guys, now my account was successfully logged in. So the same Microsoft account you can log in your phone link as well. Okay, login in phone link, go to Bluetooth and devices, scroll down and find out mobile devices and open the phone link app here and log in your account. If the problem was not solving, now you can try the next method. Now you need to reset the phone link app. To reset the app, press Windows key button and here you need to search phone link app. Okay, so open the app settings. From here you can easily able to reset the app. So after resetting, the problem was not solving, now you need to repair the app. So just try the repair and reset these both option. After doing this guys, still your problem was not solved, you can try the next method. Press Windows key button and here you need to search cmd mains command prompt and open in run as administrator tab like this. Now here you need to type one command, sfc /scan now, and then hit enter from your keyboard. It will scan and repair any corrupted system file available on your PC. So it will take some time to execute this command. After the command was successfully executed, now you can try the next method. Open your Windows settings. You need to update your PC. Go to Windows update and simply click on check for updates and then update your PC. After updating, it will fix your problem. Still the problem was not solving, now you can try the next method. Now you need to reset your Microsoft Store cache. So this is optional, but you can try this method. To reset it guys, hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to type ws reset.exe and hit enter from your keyboard. It will reset your Microsoft account cache and then definitely it will fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this issue. So that's it today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.